I assume that all of the many very well-paid advisors, the whole coterie of people who now make IPOs happen should be listening to this and taking notes. But I think what really sparked or maybe made this fire about Lenskart even larger is the commentary coming in from the management. Because when Piyush was asked questions about valuations, the response seemed to be, that's not my job. My job is to sell spectacles at good rates. Valuations, ye merchant banker log dekh lenge.
I agree.
As someone who's running the business, if this is what you're commanding, you're the face. You have to come and stick your neck out there and convince me as an investor why I'm betting on you. Because at the end of the day, you're betting on the founder promoter in a business like this.
I completely agree. That is where they really messed up. I don't think Piyush Bansal was adequately briefed by the team before he went on television. I mean, he should have been giving my pitch, basically, that my valuation is actually quite reasonable. It is 40–50% lower than what similar companies have gone public in the past. And the fact is that I'm leaving a decent amount of money on the table, given this big valuation on the price to sales basis. I don't think he was well coached. I don't think he was well briefed. And I think that's where I completely agree. That's where the whole thing started to go south, because he appeared to be completely nonchalant about this. As a promoter and as a founder, pricing is central to your showing up in office around the IPO days. I mean, ultimately, it's your company. It's like you're pricing your spectacles at 100 rupees, 200 rupees. And frankly, I don't even know what price of spectacles are these days. So similarly, you're pricing a stock. It is not rocket science. You can't say, no, it's somebody else's job. That is where really they messed up, or rather he messed up. And I completely would like to tell future IPO candidates, please get good media advisors on what to say and what not to say. Just like a political rally. These are very fine lines in which you appear to be very sincere or you appear to be very, very nonchalant. And I think, unfortunately, he came out looking very, very, like a hands-off thing.
Maybe that's where. But, having said that, we will look at the company for what it's worth, its value and its promise, which is quite exciting. And Piyush, we hope to have you back. Come and talk to us about what your future plans are for the company. Let me pitch it right here while I've got Shankar Sharma on the frame. Shankar, you come back when we get Piyush on and we'll have a great conversation. But we've loved chatting with you today, Shankar.